Hi folks, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech again. Tonight we've got a little unbox and just a quick going over. No conclusions reached, no reviews of this little puppy. Yes, this is the AEKU Model 5. This is a credit card phone. Extremely thin, light. It works like a champ as far as firing up. Got a display, which is not real good. And we'll leave that to the other part of the video shot with the back camera that actually does a hell of a lot better job. This came to us from Mike Reed. He's a subscriber here. I'm going to post his channel in the description below. Make sure to check out his channel. He does some good stuff. And everyone needs subscribers. So let's get right to the intro. Don't expect any earth-shattering conclusions. I just had to get to this before I watched all the Huawei Mate 20 crapola. I watched part of it yesterday, and there's more today. I might have something to say later on that. But for now, I'd just like to say, fastest charging cell phone in the world, 9 minutes to a full charge from dead. Let's get to the intro. Enjoy. Hi folks, here we are looking at this box today. I wonder what could be in here. Well, we're going to get the US mail wrapping off of it, and we'll get her ready for an unboxing and show you exactly what is in this box. Whoops, sorry about that. Be right back. Okay folks, mystery solved. What's in the box? It was this little card phone Mike sent over. Mike Reed from Florida, one of our subscribers. He sent it on over and told me they're kind of interesting to, maybe do a review on it. So I'm going to check it out, try it out, see what I can do with it. So let's get it open here. I've already taken the liberty of cutting the tape off. And as usual, there's a ton of stuff in the box. Not really. We've got a thing that describes the keypad, all our ports and whatnots right down there. And so, let's get around to seeing what's in the actual box. Alright, we've got our card phone. Very thin, very small, very tiny. Set that to one side. And then inside the cardboard here, well, we've got a USB to micro USB cable. I'm not even going to take that out because I have one here that I can probably charge the phone with. And that's going to be it. That's everything you get. So we're going to set that aside. Get the phone out of the plastic here. Kind of like the unwrapping deal that people do. That's tiny. Folks, that is incredibly tiny. So, let's see what we have. Let's see if it'll power on or if I'm going to have to charge it up first. If we do, we'll be right back. Little throw switch here. We're going to flip the switch and see what happens. Nothing so far. Button here for a second. nothing. So we're going to go ahead and put it on the charger, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've now got her on the charger, so it's going to be quite a few minutes. As I understand this charger's pretty quick. I'm going to read off the specs to you, or show them to you here. Let's see what I can do. We've got 0.96 TFT color screen, 320 milliamp hour polymer battery, about 4 days of standby time. It says it weighs 28 grams. I don't think it even weighs that much, and it uses a 5-pin USB, just basically a micro USB charger. It says you need a headset for the FM radio. I'm gonna guess you plug the FM radio into the USB port. There really is no instructions on here. But we're gonna just keep charging it for now. And I'll get back to you once our amazing charging is complete. For now, we're going to have to wait a bit. Back in a jiffy. Alright folks, here we are back in a mere 9 minutes. Yes, 9 minutes. Yeah, you want to do a charging test on the phone? You can all kiss my ass with your Samsungs, Poco phones, Blue Studio Energy 2s. Doesn't matter. This thing rules. Let's check it out. It's fully charged. Let's turn it on. Now, of course, it says insert SIM. I've already, kind of been through this. I don't have a SIM in there right now. I tried putting the SIM card from my AT&T Go phone in here, and I didn't get squat. But I have managed to go through the menu, and the time has changed again. I don't know what happened there. Did not hold the time. I've already changed the time once, but yeah, it's got your typical little menu here. You can cycle through all your stuff. Profile settings. You can go into your settings and go to your phone settings and say okie dokie. We can set our time and date and our time zone. I am not going to demo all this. I'm sure you don't want to see it. It does take the same size SIM, and you're not going to be able to see it in the video here. It's just, well, not all that bright. But you'll have to trust me. There's a little SIM slot, a little rubber cover, and I was able to put my AT&T one in there, but it just didn't do anything for us. So I'm probably going to have to, as you can see though, it's picking up a signal. So it is getting a GSM signal somewhere. It has Bluetooth. And I'm guessing the music is for FM if you have a set of headsets. I don't know a lot yet. This was just an unboxing and an interesting experience so far. I think I can get like a SIM card from Minute something. Their GSM. Hopefully they work around here. It's like $5. It's a trial thing. And then I'll make some phone calls. That'll be in a follow-up video. This is all I got for today. This would be a very cool phone to, if it works good, that you could give to, say, your child, just so, let's say you're at the zoo and they have a tendency to wander off and scare the hell out of you, you could call them on it, hopefully. And hopefully they'd be trained to answer it, because kids naturally love to play with phones. And you could say, "Where the hell are you? Stay put. Do not step across the moat into the lion's den." Whatever, something like that. This is an AEKU Model M5. I think you can find these on Amazon. I was looking at them last night for, I think it's like $9 or something. It's pretty damn cheap. I didn't say it was functional. We don't know that totally yet. But for now, we're going to thank Mike again for sending it over here. I'm going to give you a link to his channel. He probably knows a whole lot more than this, and hopefully he'll leave a few comments in the comment section below. That's all I got for tonight, at least for now. Probably have some Huawei Mate 20 crap later. Have a good night.
I've been flying from town to town.